Today I'll show you how to unlock your Android phone if you forgot the password. In this video, we are using Google's Find My Device to factory reset your device. This is one of the easiest ways to unlock your phone if you forgot the password. Google has a security tool called Find My Device that lets you locate, lock, or reset your phone remotely. To use this method, your Android phone must be connected to the internet and must be signed in to the same Google account. You also need your Google account to set up your device after a factory reset. Ensure you have your Google account password before going through this step. This method also completely resets your device, erasing all data. Keep these steps in mind and now follow them. To use it, open a browser on another phone or computer and go to Google Find My Device. Then sign in with the same Google account that is linked to your locked phone. Once you log in, you will see your device listed on the screen. Select your phone and then choose Factory Reset Device. Now tap on the Next to continue. Enter your Google account password to confirm. Now tap Erase to start the process. Now tap on the Reset. That's it, factory reset has been requested. As soon as the other smartphone connects to the internet, it will automatically factory reset on its own. This will reset your phone and remove the password so you can set it up again. Keep in mind that this method usually erases the data on your phone, but anything synced with your Google account like contacts or photos can be restored later. And also, you need to enter your original Google account details after factory resetting your device. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. And if your phone is still locked, tell me your phone model in the comments and I'll try to help you fix it.